and welcome back to this channel. Today I want to share with you how to make this enema solution that will help you relieve yourself of constipation or cleanse your colon or detoxify yourself. But before I tell you how you make this enema solution, I just want to tell you the dangers also associated with enemas if you don't do it well. You can rupture your colon if you use too hot enemas. You can also rupture your colon if you use a bulb syringe that is very long for you. So you just have to be careful when making enema solution or when using it. So let's get started. So now I'm outside. I'm going to use these ingredients. I have garlic, and garlic boosts our immune system. It also has antibiotic properties. It lowers blood pressure, and it also lowers cholesterol levels. So I also have ginger here, which also has antioxidant properties, and antioxidants fights against diseases. Ginger is also used in weight loss remedies. It also is in boosting the immune system. It also treats nausea and vomiting. So with this, I'm just going to crush these two together and grind it to a semi-smooth form. But I'm going to be adding cloves as part of the enema solution. Cloves are very high in antioxidants. They have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. They also aid or boost in ovulation, and they reduce the growth of cancer cells. You can still check on the internet to get other benefits of cloves. So now after grinding this, I'm just adding some water, and quickly I'll transfer it into my pot, where I'll place it on fire for it to get boiled. This enema will relieve you of constipation and also stomach upset. If you prepare it well and use it well, you get the results that you want. So after boiling, I'll let it cool down. Then I'll strain it this way to leave the chaff. Please don't use enemas that are too hot, and also don't try to push the bulb syringe into the rectum very deeply so that you will not hurt yourself. Enemas are helpful, and they can also be dangerous when you don't use them accordingly. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, try to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video so that others can also benefit from this. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. See you next time. Bye.